Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Firstly, I'm just going to apologise for the whole general tramp look that I'm rocking at the moment, but, you know, needs must. Happy New Year to you all. I hope you all had a cracking Christmas and a lovely New Year. I did. I ate lots. I put on lots of weight. New Year was quiet. But yeah, back at it with a new video today. First one of the year for me. And first time I've filmed in about 3 or 4 weeks, which is mental. It's just flown by. But someone has very kindly lent me, and I'm going to put up the name of what it is, a spot cleaner or something. I don't really know, but apparently they might be really good. And today we're cleaning the seats and the carpet in the fn2. I will quickly show you. The passenger seat isn't that bad at all. I mean, look at it. It's pretty decent. But, and I will insert a clip now of the driver's seat. It's horrific. It's just vile. It's had lots of bums on it. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna give the interior a nice little bit of love because it's been very neglected. So it's very cold outside today as well, which is amazing. And of course I'm rocking shorts, why not? So let's get on with it. Yep. Take that long. Why am I having to it's artwork? I've just done the driver's seat, and look, I don't know if you can see that. The colour of that water. How horrific is that? It's disgusting, isn't it? So, I don't know if I'm going to bother doing the passenger seat or not, because it's quite decent. Or should I just do it? I might just do it. I'm going to also do the door cards as well, because the driver one especially is horrific, see if I can get anything out of that. And then I'll be doing the car mats, yeah! I haven't done the back seats just because I need to run around with the kids for the next couple of days and I don't want to get wet arses. But yeah, so I've done the front 2 seats, all the floor mats, and a little bit of carpet here and there. But if you have a look, that's oh wow, the driver's seat actually looks way better on camera than it does in person. Well, that looks 10 times better on the passenger seat, as you can see. Did I say driver or passenger for the driver? I don't know. But the passenger seat looks awesome as well. Sorry guys, it's a bit dark, so the lighting ain't greatest, but if you ask me, that looks flipping banging. And there's that little bit of carpet down there, because it got a little bit, just gets a bit grubby. And there's a little bit of carpet down there. God, you can't even see down there, but you know the bit of carpet that runs down the middle of the two rear seats. I guess it's where all the gearbox and everything is, down the centre of the car. There's a little hump there, it's carpeted obviously, and the kids are up and down on that and get absolutely filthy, it's disgusting. But so yeah, all that done, look at the state of that. Like, how horrific is that roll-up? It's disgusting. So yeah, it's obviously going to have to be a cut back in a couple of days to show you how everything looks when it's dry. So I shall see you then. Alright guys, so actually I am filming this quite a bit later than a few days. It's actually been like a couple of weeks. Stuff's just gone mental busy and I just haven't had the time to pick up the camera and film. So I'll put a little video up now. As you can see, the driver's seat has come up spanking. It looks awesome. The carpets look good as well, but it's gone so far along now that the car needs a hoover and stuff, and the carpets don't. Trust me, the floor mats and the carpets have come up just as nice, like really good. So I can't really fault it. Someone said to me those spot cleaners are good, and I have to take my hat off. They are awesome. So yeah, that's the video this week, guys. Yeah, I know it's not like amazingly insightful, but if I could 100% afford one of those, I'd get them because they are awesome, and I've been told I can borrow that one anytime I want, so that's good news. So I'm gonna round this one off here, guys. Okay. Thank you very much to Dino Days for sponsoring the channel. As always, go over and check their stuff out. They've had a little bit of a tinker. They've got a couple of YouTube channels now, so go and check them out. I will probably pop them up here on the screen as I'm speaking now. What an idiot. Also, a big shout out to all the little channels not the little channels, for God's sake. Cut. Also, shout out to all the other channels like Cowbunker Car Diaries, I love you guys. Modfix. Oh God, why do every time I say this every time, and I forget. I forget everyone's names. Like all the regulars, guys, all the usuals. Go and check all the channels out that I usually say. I can't remember everyone. I'm really sorry. Massive shout out to Dead. Oh, flipping Nora, put my teeth in. A big shout out to Dan AYP. I've been chatting to him loads. He's got some good stuff coming, guys. If you're not subbed up to him, nip over and give him a sub because he's got some big things coming, honestly. It's just such a nice lad as well. And also, you may have seen, well, you will have seen Philip Barnes's fn2 on here a couple of times, on probably Cowbunker Car Diaries a couple of times. Dino Days, I've had his car in. He's actually just baby stepped out, like literally just started his own YouTube channel. So I will put the link up in the description and I'll put the name of it here. It's Barnzy Honda fn2. Nip over, sub up to him. I know he'd really appreciate that, and I'd really appreciate it as well because he's a lovely bloke. So that's gonna be it for me then, guys. So yeah, next video is already in the pipeline. Oh, we've got some issues with the fn2, shocker. So I will see you on the next one. Bye. Ha-cha.